Hi everyone, Ucukalo from TwoHoots. Today's clip is about scams, and in particular investment scams, which includes Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. These cryptocurrencies have become really popular lately, and guess what? The scammers have jumped on board and now offering fake investment deals. Also, there's some good news just in case you have been scammed. That's come out of the US, so we'll cover that. The most popular type of cryptocurrency that everyone knows about is Bitcoin, but now there's 1,000 different types, and essentially it's digital money. Cryptocurrency scams can happen in a few different ways. The first way is you might receive a message that says you've got Bitcoin to collect, and then it asks you to log into your wallet. The second type of Bitcoin scam is a little bit more sophisticated. You might come across an ad on social media advertising Bitcoin or any type of cryptocurrency. Now, there's two ways this can be a scam. The first way is it might be a fake social media account that's then promoting a legitimate type of Bitcoin cryptocurrency. I should use a more broad term. So there'll be fakers that come along and try to promote one particular type of currency. They'll push a lot of people to invest, and then once the price reaches a higher level, then they'll sell the amount of currency that they have, and that's how they profit. The second way social media is used to trick people is that scammers can put ads onto social media that promote a completely fake cryptocurrency that never exists. It's not traded, but they'll advertise that it's real. They'll even create websites and marketing material and make people think that they're actually buying cryptocurrency. Now, scams involving cryptocurrency like Bitcoin are such a big problem that Facebook is actually banning any advertising across all of Facebook for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency more broadly. So if you do see anyone promoting any type of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, on Facebook, it can't be the real deal because Facebook has banned it. And some good news out of the US is the regulators are trying to crack down on anyone scamming people through cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, Australians lost $32 million in investment scams last year. But what we're actually seeing is a spike in reports on cryptocurrency scams from October to December last year. So what to do to avoid a scam? Well, look, the best thing to do is ignore these messages, delete the emails, don't open them, hang up on any unsolicited phone calls. How to protect yourself? Okay, if you're contacted randomly with an investment deal and it sounds too good to be true, or it's promoted through social media. Social media is not the best source of investment advice. Those are some red flags. If they try to trigger an emotional reaction, if they try to get you to separate yourself from your friends and family when making your decision, if they use any fear tactics, if they tell you, buy now, don't think about it, those are all red flags that you potentially could be getting scammed. If you are considering what they have to offer, do your research. Get online, have a look to see if anyone else has reported similar scams using the same name. Have a look for an Australian financial services license. Have a look at scamwatch.gov.au. Have a look if there's any other scams that have been reported. Research, because if you invest and it's a scam, you're very unlikely to get your money back. Now, if you have been scammed, what should you do? Okay, firstly, if you've parted with any money, cut it off there. Don't continue to give scammers more money. That's generally another way that they work. They start small and then increase the amounts that they're asking for. So if you think you've been scammed, just stop handing over any money. It's a really great idea to contact your financial institution, which is usually your bank, to see if you can get your money back. Look, the chances are low, but it's worth making the call. Also, it would be really great to report the scam. So if it's an investment scam, ASIC is the right place to report to. You can also report to the ACCC. Now, I do have some really amazing news if you have been scammed in the past. So in the US, Western Union has agreed to pay the government $586 million. Now, the government is using this to reimburse people who have lost money in a scam that has been paid through Western Union. Now, if you paid through Western Union and it ended up being a scam from 2004 to 2017, you can lodge an application to get your money back. Amazing, I know. So this is something that's happening out of the US, but they're paying money back to people around the world. So if this is you, I really strongly encourage you to apply to try to get your money back. There's no guarantees, but this sort of stuff rarely happens. So it's a really great idea to submit and apply to get your money back. So all details are in the comments section below. You'll need to either fill in an online form or post back the information to be part of the process to try to get your money back. So I hope you found this video really useful. And if you have, please like it and please share it with your friends and family. We need to get the word out around what's happening with these, scams, particularly around cryptocurrencies, because they're so, on trend right now. And we also release regular content, so please subscribe to get our next update. Have a great day.